Today we are busy starting the Nairobi City Center extra high voltage power upgrade project. What you are seeing behind us is the cable ready for installation. This project basically is a project meant to increase the transmission capacity for the Nairobi Metro. This is actually a 66 kV cable. Yeah. Well, you know, in our country currently the government is busy focusing on the energy expansion, and as the population increases and the demand for power increases, there's need also for increasing the transmission line, and that is what we are doing today. This is an underground power cable, unlike the common overhead power cables, because this is basically a city, and we do not want to mess the beauty of the city. That's why we take these cables underground. You can imagine a city with so many cables flying in the streets, and of course not just the beauty of the city, but also the safety of the people, because the population here is quite high, and safety is very key when it comes to power. We actually have 6 months to complete this particular project. We started sometimes back in January, but there was some delays from March because of some oil leave issues, and also the month of April and part of May there was the heavy and unanticipated rains, which also delayed. So we are actually anticipating to clear this project just before the end of the year.